In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a poll on Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then right here tap at menu, and after that at the very top hit at that arrow down icon to be able to switch between your main Facebook profile and your Facebook pages. So I'm just gonna select one of my pages that will automatically switch you to that page, and now all you have to do is just hit at what's on your mind, and then you will be able to create a post, and among these options you can easily find the poll option. You can just tap on that, and that is where you can edit your poll. You can add options here. You can change the text of that option, so you can just type in something here just like that. If you want, you can also add a picture to the option. Just hit at that picture icon. That will open up your camera roll. You can just scroll down and select any picture and set it as option picture. And also, if you want, you can allow people to choose multiple options by activating that option. If you want people to be able to select just one option, you can just turn this feature off. After that, just don't forget to hit at done. The poll has been created and attached to your post. Also here you can tap where it says ask a question, then you can write down here some question, and then just don't forget to hit at post. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.